Guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a Honda Pilot. This is the grill, front grill replacement. So guys, first things first, you unclip these clips right here on top. You take them all out. Once that is done guys, you take this air inlet duct, you just push it to the side just like that. So once that is out of the way guys, and the clips are out, you take out this this top cover, you put it on the side. And then guys, after that you take a 10mm, you open the sides of the grill. There are two 10mm on the left and on the right. You use the 10mm guys to get that one out. So these are the 10mm balls, they're out. So guys, what you do next guys is you pry the grill, like you're just pushing it outside, and then you move you go down in there guys. There's some clips which are holding in down here. They're 5 in number. You just check it slowly. There's the second one, the third one's right there, the fourth one, and the fifth one guys. So once you identify them guys, you will need some kind of like a pry like that, what I have. You just pry it out. These are the clips, you just pry it out, and then once it comes out, it just pops out guys. And then once it's out guys, you just keep them, don't let them fall down. You just put them in a secure place. This one is out finally. So guys, you do the for the rest of them, for all of the 4 which is remaining, you just pry all of them. Yeah, this is the second last. This is out. So guys, once you pry everything out, and then it's time for you just to pull it out. It just comes easy. It's not like stuck or anything else holding it. You just pull it slowly, it just comes out. When all of it is out, you just pull like that, it just comes out just like that, easy. There you go. Our grill guys is out, so we can replace with a new one. We just do the reverse of everything we've just done right now. It's just easy as that. I see online there are a lot of people doing a lot of things. These are the clips guys, they're 5 in number. Make sure you just get all of them before you put your new one in.